Welcome to the Autoverse, your go-to destination for insights into cars and vehicles, from classics to cutting-edge models. Today, let's talk about the 2025 Citroën Berlingo, a compact van and MPV that has redefined versatility and practicality. The 2025 Citroën Berlingo continues to build on its reputation as one of the most versatile vehicles in its class. Known for its practicality and modern design, the Berlingo is available in both van and MPV configurations, catering to families and businesses alike. Under the hood, the Berlingo offers a variety of powertrains, including a 1.5-liter Blue HDI diesel engine, a 1.2-liter PureTech gasoline engine, and an all-electric e-Berlingo model. The electric version features a 50K total battery, delivering up to 170 miles of range on a single charge, making it an eco-friendly option for urban commuting. In terms of design, the Berlingo boasts a compact yet robust exterior with a contemporary style. Its front fascia features sleek LED headlights and Citroën's signature chevron grille, giving it a modern and friendly appearance. The compact dimensions make it easy to navigate through tight city streets, while the raised ride height provides better visibility and a confident driving stance. The interior of the 2025 Berlingo is all about space and flexibility. It offers seating for up to 7 passengers in the MPV version, with modular seating that allows you to fold or remove the rear seats to maximize cargo space. The van version provides ample loading capacity, making it an ideal choice for small business owners. The cabin is equipped with Citroën's latest infotainment system, featuring a large touchscreen, smartphone connectivity, and advanced driver assistance technologies. Comfort features like adjustable seats, climate control, and sound insulation ensure a pleasant ride for both drivers and passengers. The 2025 Citroën Berlingo remains competitively priced, with starting prices around $30,000 for the basic model and higher for the electric version and premium trims. The combination of affordability, practicality, and advanced features makes it a popular choice among families and entrepreneurs. With its blend of efficiency, modern design, and practicality, the 2025 Citroën Berlingo stands out as a reliable and versatile vehicle for a wide range of needs. Whether you're looking for a family MPV or a compact van for work, it's a vehicle worth considering. Thank you for tuning into the Autoverse. Stay tuned for our next exciting feature.